All right, mother suckers. What's up, gangsters? All crazy, huh? And pull up the chat, skitties. Let me make sure that my sound sounds good because my dog was chewing on this damn mic. I was so fucking pissed. I was like, you motherfucker. Let's pull up the live stream right now. Live stream right now. Straight up says that we're live streaming. But are we though? Okay, cool. Nah, it sounds good. It sounds real good. All right, my gangsters. Any news? Mm-mm-mm. No news. Fantastic. Bit a piece of my lip. Had a piece of my lip. Low key, I think this is a great time to buy gold right now. My stops would be down here. My invalidation point is right there. Could be on like a little market structure shift retracing to the downside now. But let's go look at our woman GU. Know what I'm saying? What is she doing? She's obviously traveling to the downside. Okay. We have the 1 a.m. open right here. Not 1 a.m. What the fuck am I saying? The 9 a.m. open. I would like to see a retracement. Oops. Before I look for opportunity first. Retraces up. Once it closes below here, below this up close candle, I like to see it retrace back up into that candle as like a point of interest, like an order block. You know what I'm saying? But Goldilocks low key looking good for some buys. You know what I'm saying? My only issue with it is that for me, 5 minute has market structure shifted. If this candle does close below this FUG and then, you know, it closes below here, aka this down close candle, which to me is a bullish order block. I wouldn't rush into gold personally. I would wait. Is FTMO is having trading end date? I don't know what you're asking, my friend. Um, I haven't looked into FTMO at all. I don't think I'm allowed to trade FTMO here in the United States. At least last time I checked. I don't know if they like took out that rule or something, but oh, my throat is on fire right now, bro. All right, there goes GU. All right, so I'm looking for sales on GU this morning. I'm gonna look for opportunity right now with the 5 pip stop. It's gonna be a 2 lot size. Now it looks like it's going crazy though. Let's prepare just in case this wants to turtle soup. Where's the last 1 minute candle high? It's way up here. No, that's not very pretty to me anyway. We got this one. We got this one. I want to place a conservative stop loss. That's what I'm doing right now. Because that's a scary bullish candle right there, bro. So my market structure shift and validation point is like right here. There's also this swing right here. So if like a 15-minute candle for me closes above this, then I'd probably change the bias to longs. That could just be a little turtle soup. I'd prefer to see, you know, not this. But again, if the 5 minute closes up there, not a fan of that. We'll see though, bro, because that should just be a little turtle soup. A little turtle soup action right there, you know what I'm saying? I want to stick to sales, but that 5 minute candle doesn't want me, like, it has me hesitant to look to sell that bitch. Gold, I'm anticipating some bias to come in, bro. What up, Bronzy? What you up to, man? Good morning, dog. What's up, Ed? Good to see you too, bruh. I was waiting for you to stop on by, dog. I see you active on Twitter and shit. Like, when's homie gonna pop in, huh? Oh yeah, bro. I hope you're doing good, dog. Hope you're doing good, dog. I don't have my entry on just yet. I'm kind of waiting for Price to show me its hand right now, honestly, because with that big 5 minute candle right here closing up this way, I don't like that. But I am bearish based on the 1 hour because we're melting, right? But I don't know if we want to start like a retracement phase on the 1 hour because we've created some displacement, potential fair value gap at the end of this 1 hour candle, you know? So I'm like trying to stay patient with this one, letting it show me its hand. And then I may frame like a 15-minute PO3. What up, John? How you doing, brother? Man, everybody popping in this morning. LMAO work keeps me busy, but I'm balancing my time better. That's good, bro. That's good. That's what's up. Yeah, work sucks, dog. I'm trying to escape this 9 to 5 shit again, dog. Fucking sucks so bad, dude. I hate it. Fucking hate jobs, bro. Let's see, bro. Shit. So the 15-minute candle closes below here, right? Which it's potentially about to. I'd anticipate more melt to the downside, right? And so then I'm going to frame a 15-minute power of 3, an open high. I'm anticipating this to be an intermediate term high. So then I'm going to look for a 1-minute fib OTE entry to sell. Okay, that's going to be what we're looking for this morning. Dang, did I not expect that pullback on GU? It's a wicked one right here, bruh. It's a wicked one. Look at that. Yep, that was a turtle soup. Motherfucker, bro. So it's showing us its hand right now. It wants to continue melting, and that's fine by me. So we have that 9 a.m. open right here. It opened. It created the high of the wick. That's the manipulation Judas swing that we look for. And we look to enter off of that. But because of how price is currently, I didn't want to just jump into it. I wanted to stay conservative and wait for it to show me its hand, which it looks like it's doing right now. So once this 15-minute candle closes, right, it has this low right here to target. So based on that, we'll see a open and then we'll see a retracement high on the 15-minute candle. And I'm going to frame a 1-minute OTE off of that. Okay, so I'm going to take it from this intermediate term high right here. I'm going to take it down to the low. And you can kind of see that within like optimal trade entry right here, we have this up close candle right there too. And so let's go ahead and prepare our entry. I'm going to look for it right at the 618. Okay. And then I'm going to put stop loss above these highs. It's going to be about a 3.5 pip stop. 2.86 lot size. 2.86. And we're going to sell that bitch. And we're going to wait for it right now. So this is the new 15-minute candle open. Okay. So we have, let me delete that. That. Or actually, it hasn't opened just yet. 40 more seconds. 40 more seconds, my gangsters. And then we're going to look for entry opportunity. This is our little scalping system, bro. It's like my everyday model right here. And we're going to target the previous 15-minute candles lows. If it wants to give us some fucking room, jeez, bruh. Damn, this bitch wants to close way down there. So this is like considered taking candy from a baby. So now it doesn't really have to pull back all the way to OTE, you know what I'm saying? But we'll still, because it closed below this down close candle right here, it could open, tap into this candle right here, and then it could sell off, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be a little aggressive right here. I'm going to look for entry off of this candle here. 3 pip stop. If I get stopped out right here, I'm going to look for a new opportunity. I allow myself 2% risk loss per day, 3.33. Because it could retrace all the way into OTE, but price doesn't always move like that. You know what I'm saying? So, what was it? 3.33. 3.33. We're going to wait for it to tap into this up close candle. This is going to be a bearish order block for us right now, okay? Now, again, we have stops right above it. If price closes above it, we anticipate a deeper retracement, and then we'll look for re-entry opportunity. If that don't work out, we close our charts, call it a day. Let's just wait and see what happens, bro. Right above the order block, there's this FVG right here too. It's engineered relative equal lows. If it begins this pullback, these relative equal lows are, you know, very obvious engineered liquidity to target. I'll actually put my stops just above that fair value gap in case price wants to come back. So I'm actually going to change it to 4.5 stop loss. Telling you, I want to be conservative with this stop loss. It's going to be a 2.22 lot size actually. The new 15-minute candle opened right here. And we want to see the open high. Okay, there it goes. 33383 is our entry. So we're in there. All right. We are in there. I'm going to grab my stop loss, copy that. Boom. Put my stop loss. Paste. Save that. All right, I'm in that bitch. We're selling that bitch. And I want to target a 1 to 2. All right. We'll see what happens. How's everybody doing? Everybody doing good? Let's go, Silent. We in this bitch, bro. Let's see it melt. We want to see this shit melt, dog. Let's see it melt, bro. Tapping into that bearish order block again. Okay. Okay. See how it has these relative equal lows right here? So this low has not ran out this low right here. So it has relative equal lows as engineered liquidity to the downside. So right now, this is the manipulation Judas swing, okay, for the 15-minute candle, because the 15-minute candle opened, it's creating the high of it, and then we want to see it distribute and sell off, okay? Now, it could take us out right now, and if it does take us out, we're going to look for re-entry opportunity with a better risk to reward ratio, and it'll likely come into at that point it's going to be into OTE, optimal trade entry. Okay, so right now this is aggressive, but like price doesn't always come back into these areas of interest like it is right now. Okay, so right here, and then I'll place my stop loss above the intermediate term high. I'll put it at like a 4 pip stop, which would be a 2.5, which we just got stopped out. So I'm going to look for entry opportunity again. Boom. So we are in that bitch again. So we lost 1%. Let's just be clear. We lost this first trade. This was an aggressive trade that we lost. Now we're in the second one. This is my last trade for the day. If it loses, that's a 2% loss, okay? But let's just stick to the model. Let's stick to what we're doing. So this open price was 33421. My stop loss is above these highs up here. which is like a 5 pip. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna put my stop loss in over here. Paste. Refresh this because it's showing 2 positions right now. All right, there we go. Take profit. How much is a 2%? This price is a 2% gain right here. So let's go to profit level. This is where we'll be tracking a 2%. Whoa, really? So it shows this is a 2% gain. So whenever it comes past this area, we'll just kind of use a static stop loss, trailing stop loss, and see price wants to continue a little bit lower. Try to target like a 1 to 3 potentially. Come out with our 2% gain for the day still. Make our 1% back. Now, this is not revenge trading. This is all a part of my model. For everyone who's been showing up to the live streams, the last streams, y'all know that I take 2 trades per day. I allow myself 2 losses. The first trade loses, I look for a second re-entry opportunity, keeping the same bias, anticipating it's just a deeper retracement, okay? So that's what we're doing right here. I don't consider it revenge trading. It becomes revenge trading for me if I take a third trade, which I will not allow myself to do. We want to stay strict, disciplined, professional, okay? We just stick to the model, stick to the bias, manage our risk, okay? 2% risk per day loss is all we allow ourselves, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these 5-minute PDAs because they don't really matter anymore. There's this order block right here that we want to respect. We're also tapping into this IFBG currently. You know what I'm saying? So let's just stay patient. I do believe that is probably going to tap into this order block right here. Take out this liquidity and then sell off. Yep, there it is. So it's fuck. It's tapped in. I keep smacking the shit out of this desk, bro. Let's see what happens, bro. It's a big ass candle. That's tough. Yikes, bro. You're going to stop us out already, huh? Jesus, fuck. Yep, we just got stopped out. Yikes, bro. That's a rough trading session this morning. All right, so What did we do wrong? Where did we go wrong? Okay. Let's just kind of re break it down and see. Okay. So again, we're trading the 1 hour power of three. Okay. We're trading the open, high, low close of the 1 hour. All right. So based on that, we have the 1 hour open right here. Okay. It open right now, it's higher than the open, which this is like perfect area. If it sells off after this, bro, I'm gonna fucking lose my shit because it looks like it's just accumulating manipulation and then sell off. It had me fucked up if that's the case. But let's see. So 1 hour open was right here. We open, manipulated higher, and then we had this fucking candle close right here. And like with that big ass candle, dog. Even this 15-minute candle, bro. Look at how they closed. Fucking swear if you fucking sell off from here, bro, I'm gonna lose my fucking shit. I fucking swear if you sell off from here, I'm gonna fucking go nuts. I need to see how it like unfolds to understand where I went wrong. I think what I need to understand better is identifying this fucking accumulation, bro, before the actual trade itself, dog. So consistency, showing up to the charts, doing the same thing every day and improving over time. That's consistency. So we're being consistent with our model, but we have to navigate and realize where the fuck we're going wrong every time we take a loss. So that's what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to see where did I go wrong here? So that way I could prevent that shit going forward. I honestly believe it's about to sell off right now. And if it does sell off, I'm going to be pissed. But I cannot enter another trade. It goes against my trading rules. I only allow myself a 2% loss per day, dog. Gosh damn it, bro. Fuck, I was liquidity today, bro. Motherfucker, bro. Uh, uh, that makes me sick to my stomach. Right now, I'm in my head just thinking like, I'm trying to like create a thought process as far as like, what could I have done better here, right? What what would have, you know, this right here is the 1 minute market structure shift. I wouldn't consider it until this 5 minute candle closes. Gosh damn it, bro. It just sucks because I want to look for another entry because I feel like it's coming up. I just only allow myself 2% loss per day. And I don't know if I'd consider it revenge trading because I do believe that this accumulation just got souped to now target these equal lows. And I don't want to fucking miss out on an opportunity that's just right in front of my fucking eyes, dude. But if I lost it, then I'd be like, did I revenge trade here? You know what I mean? It's a lot of like questioning. I'll tell you what, Jordan. I am going to just, let's see. Let's just see, bro. Because look at how this 5 minute candle is closing too. You know what I mean? It could have been a 1 minute fake market structure shift. See, we want it to close below that market structure shifting point on the 5 minute for it to be confirmed a market structure shift bearish off the 1 minute, right? That's what I would look for. Now, I made that rule because I kept getting faked out by these fake market structure shifts. Okay. We'll see, bro. I'm going to continue to look at price. Let's just look at it, dog. I'm doing my best not to be an emotional trader this morning. I don't believe I'm being emotional whatsoever. I do believe that I'm trying to be logical, like just thinking of the price logic right now. What is logic? Well, price opened, at 9 a.m. We could delete this one right here. Price opened at 9 a.m., which was right here. 9 a.m. open, and we have all this accumulation, right? It engineered liquidity to the downside, it engineered liquidity to the upside. We rated buy side to now potentially raid sell side. Overall, I'm bearish. So placing logic, and that 5 minute just closed below that market structure shifting point. All right, one more. Four. It's going to be a 2.5 lot size. It's going to be at 33443 right there. So, okay, I'm in one more percent. Let's see what happens, bro. Oh, my Lanta. I think it's in a bearish market condition, bro. Truthfully. It's very volatile right now, though. Like, volatile as fuck, it feels like, dude. But overall, I do believe it's bearish as shit right now, dude. This right here would be a 3% gain. All right, bro. We're looking good, bro. We're looking good. I think high resistance, seek and destroy. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck, dude. Melt, bro. Gosh damn it. These fuckers used me as liquidity, dog. They stopped me out right before melting right now, dog. This 15-minute candle closes in fucking 5 minutes. Jesus, bro. Look at these big ass 1 minute fucking candles, dude. Oh my gosh. We're back at break even, bro. Shit, these some big ass 1 minute candles, dude. We just created displacement, bullish displacement. We'd want to see it get violated, right? We don't want to see this shit hold. We want to see it get violated. And then even this shit fucking got violated here, but we're within this bearish order block right here. This is a bearish order block, this up close candle, okay? So we want to see this get respected and held. If it closes above it, I'm like, oh, fuck, bro. Know what I'm saying? I'm like, shit. Respect this bearish order block and go disrespect that bullish fair value gap. Respect it. Don't fucking play with me and my emotions this morning, dog. Gee, you getting fucking crazy, bro. Sheesh, Luis, right there. Jeez. Ugh. 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 Soda blocks low key getting disrespected. Ugh. Mother sucker, bro. Right now it's tapping into OTE again. New 15-minute candle has just opened. I wouldn't be surprised if it fucking came above this high, maybe even above this high. I wouldn't be surprised, bro. That's not surprising. 7-9 level tapped into, bro. Yep, tapped above that high too. If this 15-minute candle closes like this, bro, we're fucked. Because then it has this 1 hour displacement. These fucking displacement candles are fucking horrible, bro. I hate trading these displacement 1 hours after them, dog. Let's just see, bro. Let's just zebra. And this 5-minute candle closing as well, dog. Here in about 2.5 minutes, bro. Oh my Lanta, dog. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's the confirmed close, bro. Took out that high. That's where our stops were. Fuck me, bro. Oh, I got caught up in this fucking consolidation this morning. What a bitch, bro. I hate trading consolidations, dude. Shit, dog. Cause even if you're a seller, bro, and it's fucking rating the highs, dude, it doesn't fucking just melt, bro. And then it gives you all these big ass selling candles to fucking trick you, dude. Oh, this motherfucking shit. I had this feeling though, bro. Like whenever I seen this 1 hour displacement candle, I'm like, God damn it, bro. I really hope that this 9 a.m. candle melts and sells off. But you can't always anticipate that, bro, because whenever it's a displacement candle, oftentimes it fucking creates that fair value gap. And then the next candle will likely wick into it before the sell off, bro. That shit's so frustrating, dude. Motherfucker. I need to make some rules around this. Rule number one, no more third trade, bro. I only allow myself two, and this is fucking why. So I broke my rules, and that's why I lost 3% this morning. I broke one of my rules. And that's a reflection. That's something I need to never do again. I knew better. I did know better. But then I felt like I also knew something different. You know what I mean? These fake outs, bro, they're real as fuck, dude. So again, new rule. And I'm gonna write that bitch down. Grab a better pen. New rules. No more than 2 trades slash 2% loss per day. No more third trade. Another new rule. After a fucking displacement candle, like this 1 hour, since we're trading this 1 hour power of three, after a displacement candle, bro, I'm like gonna be neutral, bro. After a displacement candle, my bias is gonna be neutral. And the reason why it's going to be neutral, obviously, yes, this displacement provides some directional bias because then it creates some fucking fair value gap to the downside and whatnot. But this is where it fucking gets me, bro. Is look at this big ass bullish candle, dog. After a displacement candle, you can't always predict that it's going to continue to the downside. So, because of that, we were sellers, but look at this big ass buy candle, bro. So, be after a displacement 1 hour candle, break a rules. I do 70 push-ups to feel the pain. Bro, 70 push-ups is fucking light work, Bronzy. I'll do 200, bro. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Fuck that. All right, two. After a 1 hour displacement candle, go neutral bias, comma, because we don't know if the next candle will continue in displacement direction or go the opposite way. After a 1 hour displacement candle, go neutral bias because we don't know if next candle will continue in displacement direction or go opposite way to create gaps or even fill in the entire displacement. Displacement. Parentheses. We got wrecked by this on 5:20 9 a.m. candle. Dash 25 9 a.m. EST candle. 1 hour GBP USD. 300 push-ups for you then. Damn, dog, that's a lot of push-ups. Fuck, dude. My pecs can handle a lot, dog. Ah, la vergas, bro. Damn. Push-ups are brutal, dog. So I just made a couple new rules for myself. I mean, the first rule was fucking obvious. No more than 2 trades, bro. Ever, 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 ever again. The second rule is after this fucking kind of displacement candle, bro. Like, especially if it's displacing into like, but what I'm trying not to pay attention to all this old shit over here, dog. I'm trying not to, bro. But then again, you know, like it also did sweep out turtle soup, tapped straight into a fucking. And this shit could continue higher, bro. This shit could go for buys. But that's more or so, in my opinion, this shit could go higher and continue for buys. That's more of an intraday and swing type of setup for me. And I'm scalping this bitch, bro. I am scalping this mother sucker right now. Okay. So that's tough, bro. That's tough. What did gold do? I swear, if gold fucking did what I wanted it to do, I'm gonna lose my fucking shit. Oh man, it did. It did. I anticipated it was gonna buy this morning, and it fucking did. It turtle souped. It was within OTE. We should have traded gold instead of GU this morning, huh? Gold just looked like a solid setup this morning, not even a cap. Tough losses, bro. Tough losses. Very tough losses. But I do believe I learned from it. Look at that fucking ugly ass consolidation we got caught in, bro. And like, we were selling whenever it broke out the highs, bro. Anticipating it to fucking raid the lows. Why didn't it raid the lows, bro? Engineered sell side liquidity just for it to not run it, bro. Fucking losing my shit, man. And it closed up that entire fucking displacement gap, bro. That's some horrible shit, bro. Hey, man, that's trading, dog. That is trading. But I'm approaching every fucking day with the same exact model. I'm approaching every day with the same exact approach. And I am going to continue to, you know, write down reasons why I lose and like things like that. And we're just going to continue to get better and better and better, bro. We just have to. This is how we get better, bro. This is how we do it, dog. I decided to put 2 wins. I'm off the charts. 2 losses, I'm off the charts. 2 winning days. Third day, I'm out. Often after wins, I often feel like I own the charts and they come and fuck me up. Yeah, no, that's that confidence, bro. That overconfidence will wreck you, dog, straight up. Holy shit, bro. So, we're good there. Max loss limit. This value represents the amount left to risk based on your current. So I have 3.5% left on this challenge. Oh man. We're gonna come back, bro. We're down so bad right now. Oh, fuck, dude. We're down 6.42%, bro. This is the most I have ever been down on a fucking trading challenge, bro. And I am going to come back from this shit, dog. And it's gonna be fucking nasty. I'm gonna come back from this shit and I'm gonna pass this fucking challenge, bro. Okay? 3.5%. I gotta be so accurate these next coming trades, bro. I'm telling you though, I do feel myself getting better. Every time I make new rules, every time I see why I lost, every time, bro, I believe I'm getting better as a trader, dude. And every time I'm sitting in front of these charts and I'm fucking building this mental callus, bro, this psychology that's solid, bro. I believe I'm getting better. Psychology, analysis, strategy. I believe I'm sticking to the same approach every fucking day, bro. I'm going to pass this shit, dog. I'm going to come back, okay? Facts, pass that. We're gonna pass this shit, okay? So tomorrow, another fucking trading session is gonna go down, bro. And we're gonna come back. Seriously. Yes, sir. Samama mentality is still gonna pass it, bro. We're still gonna do it, bro. Job is not finished. The game is not over. We're down 30 right now, but we still got fucking about 20 minutes left in this game type shit. You know what I mean? We gotta fucking come back. And we're going to come back, bro. It's me against me, dog. It always has been. It's always been me against me, bro. But I'm telling you, the me today, I'm just becoming a better me every fucking day, bro. And I'm telling you, I'm gonna dominate myself eventually, dog. Domination is in the fucking view site, bro. We're gonna get it, dog. We are gonna get it. It's not over till it's fucking over, bro. I fucking promise you that. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be one of the best fucking traders to walk this planet one day, dog. This shit is never over till it's over, bro. But once this 10K gets passed, dog, it's fucking game on, bro. There's no looking back. I'm telling you, it's only up from there, bro. It's all gonna be documented every fucking day, dude. Every day it's gonna be documented, bro. I ain't even hurt that I lost, bro. Matter of fact, I'm actually I'm glad that I lost because every loss I learn. And every time I learn, I believe I'm getting fucking better, bro. Like straight up, yesterday got better. Today got better. Like, bro, we're gonna make a nasty comeback, bro. We down 3-1. We making that comeback like the Cavs, bro. Like the Cavs, dog. We're making that comeback, bro. No matter who's on the other side of that fucking court, bro. It don't matter who the fuck we're going up against, bro. You just have to remember you're the best motherfucker. Don't allow that to become overconfidence though, bro. Just realize you're one of the best to ever do it, dog. We truly are, dog. We're just waiting to fucking get our stripes, dude. But you guys, that's gonna be my trading session this morning. It was a fucking loser of a trading session, but I believe we won in spirit. I believe we won psychologically, and we've adapted new rules. We've adapted like, a better way to approach this shit. And I know we're gonna come back, dude. Like I'm telling you, every time we're here, we're just gonna get better, bro. Every fucking day. So thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me every fucking day. I appreciate you guys for coming and kicking it. You guys get better with me every day too, which is really awesome. The way that you guys sit here and you guys watch me talk about price, what I'm looking at, how I'm feeling, and sitting in this drawdown, bro. Whenever we sit in drawdown and we sit in negative, we see these spikes and shit. That shit's building our emotional psychology, bro. That shit just builds it. We just have to be numb to that shit. Whenever you put risk on, accept that shit. Accept whatever happens, happens. It's a part of doing business, and we just learn from it, bro. A mistake is a loss is never fucking, a loss. It's how you reference it. What came from your mistake? Did you learn something? You'll need to always learn from something from your mistakes, bro. And like dive deep into that shit too, dude. Like don't just allow yourself to be like, honestly, I don't think I made a mistake. I think like you will always make a mistake when you lose, bro. Like sometimes market probabilities, they just go against you, but like even in those situations, write down what the fuck happened, where you went wrong. And next time you're in that type of market condition, you can identify it and be like, well, I was in this shit before. And you can recite the date whenever you write it down, just like I wrote down. I got wrecked by this type of setup on 5/20/2025 on the 9 a.m. Eastern Standard candle on 1 hour on GBP USD. Write that shit down, bro. So this is how we get better, bro. Continue to journal, continue to document, and learn from your mistakes. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next trading session. Bronzy, Silent, Lenny, Bakar, Ed, John. I appreciate all you for coming out. HC, you probably in here for sure, but I appreciate all you guys for coming out every fucking day. Thank you guys so much for the support, the love. Much love to you guys too. You guys have a good rest of your day, your trading session, and if you win some, shit, go let me know in that Telegram, bro. Go let me know. But we'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Peace.